Hey, it's your girl Ashley, and I'm doing a video today installing a new wig that I got. Don't judge me. I got my braids already. I just took off a wig. I'm about to clean this and then wash the wig and stuff, but I wanted to come show you the wig out the package and everything. Just took my other one off, so I gotta clean my edges, wash the wig and stuff. But got it from FedEx today. And this wig is from, I'm pregnant right now, so don't be upset with me. It's from Mega Look. That's what this wig is from. They gave me this little bag with a cap, which is too dark, but I can put makeup on it. An edge brush, a clip, eyelashes, and a band. So put the wig down with. Thank you. That comes in handy all the time. I got like 3 bands already that I use. So I got the 20H HD transparent. I don't know if it's transparent or HD. I think it's transparent. 28 deep loose wave wig. That's the one I got. 28. Yeah. Let's take it out the bag. I said I'm gonna wash it first because that's just what I like to do. I don't know where this wig, who these people is, you know what I'm saying? 28 inches. Still got the net on it. I'm not gonna take it off until I wash it with. And it's a 13 by 6. Take this paper out so you can see. Yes, it is a 13 by 6. So that's the deep part. And I like the deep part. I like 13 by 4 too. That'll work, but 13 by 6, just like more natural. I just like the deep part. That's why I get the 13 by 6. And it comes with a band. I like that. A band, comb in the back, and 3 combs on the inside. So 1, 2, 3. And it's 28 inches. So like I said, once I clean my scalp and wash this wig, I'm gonna come back and install it. I'm thinking about doing a flip over, not even a part. I might install it and you'll see the middle part, but I'm gonna wind up changing it to a flip over. Possibly, because I got a style I could do with the middle part. But we're gonna see what I wind up doing. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash it and I'll come back and we'll install it. Okay, your towel is right there.